Sasa kwa hiyo tutasomea mashtaka wametakiwa mashtaka ya kupatikana na pombe ambazo hazipatikani kisheria. Ilipatana na lita
wish to mitigate for the accused person.
Just a minute, please. Can I produce before this court has fixed before? Previous records? No, previous
He is
records.
a first offender. The accused person really regrets his actions, Your Honor. The accused person has served the court's time by readily admitting the offense for the mitigate pursuant to section 216, 329 of the CPC. We urge this court to consider the mitigating circumstance and admit him to lenient.
ambazo zipatani kisheria, illicit 20 liters illicit chana ambayo ilikuwa kwa yellow plastic yake. Ilikuwa na masipo hiyo.
Facts as per the charge sheet. The 20 liters of chana produced before this court as KXB12 and the inventory as KXB2. Documents on investigation.
Unapita kwa vya koti kone rumo. Sema. Sharon Chacha. Sharon Chacha.
This one, the charge sheet is for count 2. This one. You can take up with what you have. What have you read for? This one is losing time. Mine is. Which one, Charlie? December hearing 8 June, bonds 200,000, majority of a similar amount, alternative. June, bond 100,000, majority of a similar amount, 30 for cash bill, 30,000 plus 1 for
Kesi yako itatajwa tarehe 10 Disemba.
And I wish to confirm that we supplied the statements. While I'm not opposed to bond or bail terms, I'm opposed to the cash bail of 10,000 indeed. Mentioned on December here, 18 June, bond under 200,000, cash bill of similar amount, 30 cash bill, 80,000 plus 1.
Enos Juma.
May it please you, Your Honor. My left.
Enos, umeshtakiwa na shtaka ya kunajisi kinyume na sheria.
With your kind permission, in the matter I am Miss Sylvia, here alongside my friend, Mr. Wade, for the accused person. Your Honor, before the accused person can take plea,
Also, we can't hear what she is submitting.
Sylvia, dealing or handling this matter so that I can place it on record.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Age is working on our. I appear alongside with Ms. Odiambo, watching brief for the complainant. And victim of that case.
I'd like to bring to the attention of the court that the accused person is a minor. His date of birth is on the 28th October 2008, Your Honor.
This person was actually born on the 2008, Your Honor. However, if at all, it is for that reason, Your Honor, that I would wish to have the plea taken today. There being no evidence that has been presented before this court confirming that the accused person is actually is a minor. Your Honor, from my records, the accused person indicated to the police officers at DCI Starehe that he was 20 years, Your Honor. And as far as you are concerned, that is the position, Your Honor.
And I will.
For the accused person, I note that no evidence has been availed to show that the accused person is a minor. I also note that even being a minor, the same may not prevent the accused person from taking plea before the said status can be confirmed. The charge is to be read to the accused person.
Okay. وانكو آخرين إيه محكمة الدنبي horteed yaalo waa defilement inaas gabar kufsatay shari la'aan taariikh 14 bishan camaashay ninhaadii isticmaashay hasgelisay gabar oo idina agekeedii waa 15 run misbeen way taas not true.
Do you please read the charge? Count 1 past 10 please.
6. The particulars of the offense are Musab Hassan Jimale on the 14th day of November 2025 at Slee area in Starehe sub-county, Nairobi County, intentionally caused his penis to penetrate the vagina of SMA, a child aged 15 years. Is that true or false? That's from Ms. Beno. Not true. He said that is not true.
Read in English, then translate.
Okay. Alternative charges was after count color, dambi color, committing an indecent act with a child, contra section 11(1) of the Sexual Offense Act number 3 of 2006. يعني gabar as The particulars of the offense are on the 14th day of November 2025. 14 Bishan, Mel Isli, Starehe sub-county, Nairobi County, unlawfully and intentionally touched the vagina and breast of SMA, a child aged 15 years, with your pens. waxaas taabatay ubnaha gabar asku taabatay ubnahaadii gabar oo 15 years age jo run is ben not true. Count 2. Child stealing, contra section 1741B of the Penal Code. Particulars of the offense are Mus'ab Hassan Jumale on the 14th day of November at Sli area, Stare sub-county within Nairobi County. Hubbard SMA, a child aged 15 years, knowing it to have been enticed with intention to deprive Fatuma Muhammad, the parent who had lawfully cared for the position of the said SMA. Has a count can or second level second count in as gabar cunu yar hadda taariikh 14 bishan isli Stare sub county meesha Nairobi waxaas hadday gabar oo 15 years oo cumrigeed age-keeda as guri ka qaaday waalidkeeda oo Fatuma Muhammad ay gacanteed ku jirto waa qaaday waas hadday taas run misbeen way not true. Count 3. Unlawfully being present in Kenya, Constitution section 53, 1 J as stated with section 53, 2 of the Kenyan Citizenship and Immigration Act 2011. The particulars of the offense are Mus'ab Hassan Jumale on the 14th day of November 2025 at Sli area, Stare sub-county within Nairobi County. Being a Somali citizen, you are found unlawfully present in Kenya without valid pass or visa. دنبك سدحada aan ku akhrini inaas wadanka Kenya lagu arko valid passport ma qabto iyo any documentation ma qabto run misbeen wataas documentation ma qabta oo wadan ku joog not true. Count 3.
I wish to make an application that is admitted to reasonable bond and bail terms. Your Honor, the accused person, secondary school for that matter, Your Honor, Isili High School. Your Honor, the accused person resides with his mother at Isili. Your Honor, the accused person equally is as is a minor, Your Honor. I pray that he is escorted for age assessment, as the same is very crucial in this matter. Your Honor, for those grounds, I pray that he is admitted to very reasonable bail terms.
Confirm supply of the statements to the defense. I note the application that has been made by counsel for defense with respect to bond or bail terms. You know, I note the nature of the offense, which is serious, which is defilement. In that respect, Your Honor, I wish to submit to this court that Article 49(1)(h), Your Honor, which grants the unarrested person the right to bond or bail, is not absolute, and the same can be waived or denied if there are compelling reasons, Your Honor. You know, the same is buttressed by Section 123A of the Criminal Procedure Code, which provides for exceptions to bail or bond terms. Your Honor, before you is an affidavit sworn on the 26th of November 2025 by one PC woman, Longole Dorcas, sworn on the 26th of November 2025 by one PC woman, Longole Dorcas, from DCI Starehe. Your Honor, the deponent has raised compellable reasons that would lead to denial of bond or bail terms of the suspect's hearing. Your Honor, I wish to refer to paragraph 10, in which the deponent states that the suspect is likely to interfere with witnesses, actually live within Isili area. You know, the accused person is a flight risk since he has no fixed place of abode and therefore is likely to abscond. Further to that, Your Honor, the seriousness of this offense and other offenses that he's been charged with are clear and serious. And therefore, this court, Your Honor, should put into consideration of the same, Your Honor. Your Honor, in essence, we have demonstrated compelling reasons that would move this court or invite this court to deny bond or bail terms to the accused person. Your Honor, further to that, the accused person is not, as indicated under count 3, he's unlawfully present in Kenya, Your Honor. Therefore, that buttresses the position that he's likely to abscond or be a flight risk in this case. It is with those reasons, Your Honor, that I pray that and invite this court to find that we've demonstrated compelling reasons which will deny the accused person bond or bail terms.
The victim and her family, we wish to associate ourselves with the submissions by the prosecution. Although bail and bond is a constitutional right, it's not, the same is not absolute, especially where there are compelling reasons. In the case before you, Your Honor, the prosecution has demonstrated that there are compelling reasons to deny the accused person before you bail and bond pending hearing and determination of this matter, Your Honor. Your Honor, the affidavit before you at paragraph 10 as read with paragraph 11, has clearly indicated that the accused person is a flight risk. Being a foreigner, illegally present in Kenya, there's nothing that will stop him from being illegally absent from the jurisdiction of this court. Given the polarized nature of our borders between Kenya and Uganda and Somalia. Your Honor, in addition to that, the offenses that the accused person is charged attract heavy penalties that will definitely induce him to abscond if released on bail or bond. In light of that, Your Honor, we pray that he be denied bail and bond pending hearing and determination of this matter.
My senior has submitted with respect to submission in opposition of the bail in this matter, only to add that the accused person's counsel submitted that the accused is a school-going student. No evidence was submitted before this court, and therefore we pray that this court dismiss the said submissions, since there is no proof that has been provided. We pray that the court allows our prayer for the accused person not to be granted bail or bond pending trial. Much obliged.
Counsel watching brief as the live. I have not been served with the same. Your Honor, I'll be seeking to cross-examine the deponent of the said affidavit and to be served with the same. Your Honor, on the issue of flight risk, Your Honor, the accused person's mother is outside court, Your Honor.
Those are new facts, Your Honor, to respond to if she will be allowed to go that direction.
Your Honor, that is duly noted. Your Honor, the accused person is a school-going. Your Honor, I pray that the accused person is presumed innocent.
Other parties, I do order as follows. The court needs, on the first instance, to establish the age of the child, and in this case, the accused person to be escorted for an age assessment and to remain in police custody. This will enable the court to have an informed decision in regard to the issue of bail and bond. Mentioned 28th of November, accused person will remain in police custody.
kuna mama ya mtoto, nimeharibu kuna mtoto yangu jina yake, nimeharibu kuna maisha yake. Mimi nataka haki ya mtoto yangu. Mimi kuna mama. Wale msikianga kuna waria unataka kuliba kuna pesa, utataka kuchukua kuna kijana kuna pesa. Mimi hana kuna pesa lakini mimi kuna citizen Mkenya. Mimi sina kuna pesa ya kuliba kuna mali ya court, lakini mimi kuna mtoto yangu unataka haki ya mtoto yangu. Mtoto yangu siku siwezi enda kuna shule, siwezi kutoka kwa nje. That's why imeharibu kwa jini ya kuna mtoto. Sasa kuna meharibu kuna kijana imekujanga kuna watu wengi, imekujanga wale kuna business, unataka meliba kuna pesa, msikanga hata watu sahihi na simama kwangu kuna recording, ina chain unataka record hii na picture iko na hawa karibu kuna mtu 3 iko nayo kuna recording yake ya kuliba kuna pesa, iko nayo picture yake, ina 10 inches kama Kenya amejapata kuna haki yangu. Ameleta kuna picture kuna watu 3, ameleta kuna recording. Mimi nataka kuna haki ya mtoto yangu, unataka haki ya mtoto yangu. Mtoto yangu ameharibu kuna jina yake. Unataka kuna kodi amepata haki yangu. Ndio msikia kuna watu wamechukua kuna pesa lakini mimi siwezi liba kuna pesa. Mimi hana kuna pesa ya kuliba. Kenya asaidia ila mahali ile mesikia kuna kesi yangu ina ofisi ile kila mahali haki mimi nataka nasaidiange.
Tunataka hii serikali ya Kenya iangalie hii kesi yetu vizuri sana. Sisi hatuna uwezo wa kulipa pesa, hatuna jina, hatuna connections. Sisi ni wananchi tu wa kawaida. Sasa msichana wetu amekosewa, wamemfanyia kila kitu na baadaye wamesema kwamba huyu mwenye amekosea mtoto yeye pia ni mtoto mwingine ambaye hakuna mtoto mwenye anaweza chukua mtoto ya mtu amdrag tena amchukue akamweka kwa nyumba yake. Hii kesi ni kesi kubwa sana. Nataka serikali ingie, nataka hao wa Somali wenye wanataka kwa mosque waingie. Hii kesi yetu nataka ipate haki. Huyu ni mama maskini, hana uwezo ya kulipa corruption, hana connections, hajui mtu kutoka kwa serikali, anangojea wananchi na Mungu na hawa serikali.
Sikiliza kesi mbili za ubakaji ya watoto wadogo. Washukiwa wote wanasalia mahabusu huku mahakama ikisubiri maelezo zaidi. Wa watoto wadogo, washukiwa wote wanasalia so niseme so nitumie leo mahakama ya Makadara ilisikiliza kesi mbili za unajisi wa watoto.